Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, dear traders. Welcome to our weekly online trading session. My name is Thomas, and I will conduct the following session for you. So please prepare your questions, and you can pretty much ask me anything about trading, first and foremost. I will be happy to share my techniques, my trading strategies, my trading approaches, and maybe I could give some piece of advice for you how you can improve your trading overall. So don't hesitate and ask your questions. So the more questions you ask, the more knowledge I share, and eventually the better your trading becomes. So today's topic will be one of our trading strategies. So recently we have traded using diving trading strategy. We did triple rebound recently. We also did kind Martin, and we also did Axel, and I think Friday. So we can go ahead and select something that we haven't really used in a while. Yeah, but anyways, these are actually my favorite strategies, and that's why I use them. Oh, what do you think about Tesla? A wonderful question, amazing question. Yes, Tesla is very, very hot. And if you forgive me, please, I would take a few minutes of your attention to talk about Tesla. Now, what is interesting about Tesla? Okay, so this was a stock split, so it wasn't like a gap down, it was just a split. When Tesla stock became a little bit too expensive, they divided, I think, in the ratio 1/10. So they took, so 1,000. So I think the price of Tesla back on that day was, that was just 1 year ago, just a little bit over 1 year ago, and the price of Tesla stock exceeded $1,000 per share. And to make it more affordable and easier to trade, the company did a stock split where they took the price, removed 1 0 from it, and then added this 0 to the quantity of stocks in free float. So instead of, say, 1,000 stocks with the price of 1,000, we got 10,000 stocks with the price of 100, something like this. And then Tesla continued its growth, went from 300, like 400 to 900, and then so it stopped at the level of 900, then went down, and for the next few months, so let me see, from say March, end of February, and up until late September, the price was stuck between 700 and, say, 600 in this very, very narrow range. And eventually, I mean, the company was developing. The company was developing all along the way. The company would publish better and better earnings reports, and the company would publish this news that more and more companies wanted to cooperate with Tesla. More and more rental companies wanted to purchase Teslas and to rent them out. So like this current deal with Hertz. So what basically happened is, okay, so there was a famous story back in the day, back in 2008, so 13 years ago, more than 13 years ago, when Volkswagen company, so Volkswagen, the German car manufacturer, for a few days it became the most expensive country in the most expensive company in the whole wide world. And so basically what happened is that many people shorted Volkswagen stock, and then when the time came to cover their pretty much make an counter transaction, so to buy the stock and get some profits, it turned out that the short sell positions were so big that there wasn't enough supply of Volkswagen stock on the market, and basically the buyers with their buy orders, they just they made the Volkswagen stock skyrocket, and it went from something like 300 to 1,500 in a matter of days, or something like this. Anyways, that was back in 2008 when well, Apple cap or Apple market cap or Google market cap was relatively low. So back in the day, so more than 10 years ago, these were banks and auto manufacturers that had the highest market capitalization. Now it's of course Apple, Microsoft, Facebook, Amazon, and Google, like the top 5 companies with the highest market capitalization, along with Saudi Aramco, the Saudi Arabia oil producer. But anyways, so the point of my story is that, in my opinion, in my humble opinion, what's going on in Tesla resembles that story with Volkswagen very, very closely. So many people saw that this $900 level was a strong level of resistance, and that the price couldn't breach this level and went down from it. So that was like this head and shoulders pattern, beautiful one, like left shoulder, head, right shoulder, very canonical, very, very just from the book, just how you see it in those theory books played out. And so this or that trading idea brought a lot of money to those who actually took advantage of that trading idea and who shorted Tesla back in the, on that day. So why this move up? Well, because right before earnings, many people noticed that, wow, look at this. I mean, like, you don't have to be like super smart to see this very, very strong level of resistance. And many companies, they thought that Tesla was overpriced. And I think so. I think so too. I mean, I share their opinions. Because I mean, like, Tesla now costs half of Apple, half of what Apple or Microsoft. And I mean, like, Tesla is really, really hyped up because of, well, of course, Elon Musk and so many other different things. So anyways, people were shorting it, and then what happened next is that this the 900 level, the $900 level got breached from bottom upwards, and many people, I mean, like, many buyers, they just started buying it because many people follow this strategy. When a new level is broken, you want to buy into this movement, and especially that was an all-time high, a lot of hype, a lot of agitation around this company, and then people who had sold it somewhere along the way here, they were like, oh wow, now we are starting to bear losses, and eventually they thought maybe the price would stop here, and they waited a little bit, and then the price didn't stop here, and the price went all the way above the $1,000 level, and now they have to cover their losses. And I don't know, these guys, they have just lost probably billions of dollars. Oh wow, so trading can be risky, in fact. Well, anyways, now let's I don't know what's going to happen next, but it seems that Tesla stock is overheated, but I think that, say, 1,000 level is going to be a very, very strong level of support. So if you think of purchasing Tesla, wait for a pullback and just buy it here. Anyways, let's do some trading. That's our main topic of today's webinar and other webinars. I don't know, let's pick a trading strategy. Jektar. Yeah, how about we do Jektar? Because we just haven't done Jektar in a while, and that's my favorite strategy. So my favorite trading strategy. So if you kindly would excuse me, I would trade. I would like to share my knowledge with this trading strategy today. So this strategy is quite simple. It is based upon 3 simple moving averages with 3 different periods. So we have the 50 SMA, we have the 100 SMA, and we have the 200 SMA somewhere here. And all these 3 moving averages, they act as levels of support and resistance, or resistance, depending on how they are, depending on their like position in regards to the current price. So we can see, okay, now this is a wonderful example, the EuroCAD chart. Now the current price, the current quote is here highlighted with this oval. So the price is stuck between the 50 SMA and the 200s. Oh wow, sorry, just got a signal. Okay, let's open the signal from my advisor moving averages and we'll see. Well, anyways, now back to my trading strategy. So we have this level of resistance because it is currently above the current price, the current quote, and we have the 50 SMA, which is right under the current quote. So, and this level acts as the level of support. So we can place a pending order. Okay, it's going to be a very complicated scheme, but now I have two orders in the opposite directions, and I also have one more additional pending order. Okay, so we're gonna see. It's gonna be a very interesting story. EuroCAD. So I have one trade that was a signal from the moving average advisor. Now my next trade comes from the signal from the 200 SMA, the so the Jektar trading strategy. And also I'm expecting maybe a dip down to this area, somewhere around here, and that would be a trade in the upwards direction because the 50 SMA will act as a level of support when the price gets there. All right. So, okay, wonderful example. NZD-JPY, kind of missed this one. So let me place a pending order. Guys, am I doing everything quickly or not? So please let me know if I need to maybe slow down a little bit. Okay, let's watch. 15 seconds to go on this one. And 16 seconds on this one. Another signal from the advisor. Thank you, advisor. Okay, so my first trade here closed with a profit. We started here, 1, 2. And yeah. Okay, one more trade is about to, yes. One more trade now, NZD-JPY. Okay, so why trade in the downwards direction? Well, quite simple, because we have this the 100 line, the 100 simple moving average above the current price, so that's a signal for a down trade. And what is this? NZD-CHF, yeah, a trade. This should be a trade in the downwards direction. And also gold. So once again, the principle is quite simple. We have the current price, so you basically need to compare the current quote with where the nearest moving average is, and then based on that you just, oh wow, look at this. Am I gonna have 3 winning trades here? I was serious. Oh my god, that's gonna be so amazing, so amazing. Now let's place one more pending order. So it's like playing ping pong. Basically, the price gets stuck. Oh, hold on. Okay, so that's a trade, $15, and one more trade from the advisor. And nice. I mean, I don't really use these advisors that much. We have the what are they? Predatory look. We have the okay, let's place downwards. Now with kind Martin and with Jacktard trading strategy, we have the 100 simple moving average and expecting a bounce down from this price. Now, just fantastic. So I just hope that the price just doesn't drop that fast. So EuroCAD. NZD CHF, yeah, my pending order is here. I don't know why it didn't turn into a trade. Maybe now it will. Maybe I put it a little, I said it a little later. All right. Now let's go ahead and place Euro USD, the Euro USD chart downwards and also upwards. 5992. Okay, so the logic is, oh yeah, beautiful trade, beautiful. Okay, so maybe now this trade is going to be a winning trade, and this trade might be a losing one. Oh well, that can happen. Okay, gonna cancel this trade. I'm gonna save myself $10. Slow down, please. All right, I will slow down, and I just wanna explain how it all works. All right, so follow me. So we have the current quote. You can see that the current quote is 1.43913. So basically, you need to pay attention to the last 3 digits. That's very important. And now we can see that currently the price is trading above the. So the current quote is trading above trades. Yeah. And yes, we can actually set a pending order here. 09, and yeah, so now I open a trade in the upwards direction because the trend is upwards. We have two candlesticks closing above the green line and the red line. So okay, if you want to understand how this oh wow how this trading method works, just follow follow this logic. Just pay attention to where the current. All right, so USD CAD, it's gonna close in the money. Before I now realize I should not have canceled this one. Just kind of, yeah, that would have closed in the money. Oops. Okay, I started taking too many actions. So sometimes just don't wanna open too many trades. Okay, let's, yeah, I think I'm doing everything a little too fast. So let's slow down a little bit. So have trades here downwards, upwards, NZD CHF. Come on, 5 seconds to go. Is it gonna drop or not? So 4 seconds to go. 2. Okay. EuroCAD, yeah, that's a mistake here. Yeah, I just started acting a little fast, so I wanna close. Okay. So now this chart has just become a little bit chaotic, and I just wanna stop trading there because now I did two incorrect trades, and I wanna set it aside for a little bit to kind of relax, to cool down, because that was a faulty trade. So now USD CAD. So why trade in the upwards direction? Because the price came close to the 50 SMA, and that's a moment when you want to open the trade upwards. Because usually, the price reverses and goes upwards. So that's the logic of simple moving averages. That's that's just how they work. So Euro USD, okay, not gonna open trades there. Yeah, I don't know. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's have a look. EuroCAD. Maybe I should not have well, I don't know. Okay, it just seems weird a little bit. So yeah, let's just not open trades. Okay, so yes. Okay, now slowly let's find some more trading signals. So basically, yeah, I did in the beginning I did everything right in the EuroCAD chart, and then I just started canceling trades and opening trades. That was a wrong decision. So now, so instead of having like 5, 6 winning trades in a row, I had like three winning trades in a row, and then just kind of like losing trades. All right, my mistake. $93. Okay. Open trade in the upwards direction from the 200 SMA. And we can also open a trade now in the downwards direction, the quote 65 USD CAD. So we have this level of resistance, which stands right where the 200 SMA is. So we can open a trade in the downward direction here. Let's see. Nice. USD CAD. That's correct. And Euro CAD. Oh my god. Okay, shall I go ahead and try one more? Yeah, let's do it. Let's just do it now. Because, I mean, like, this could have been maybe one of the best trading sequences this week. Like, fantastic volatile asset, just going up and down, going all over the place, and yet 2 trades that I canceled, those were trades where I could have made made additional almost $60. So okay, I'll just cancel this one. Okay, so Euro USD, I don't have any trust in it anymore. It's just going down. So how to make change to join your trend? So down. What am I? Okay, so now let's take a break. Let's have a look at my FX trades. So I have a trade on, okay, I don't know, shorting Ethereum. Maybe probably my most successful trade here is on the NZD-JPY. So basically, I posted this signal here in the signals area in trading signals. NZD-JPY was here, and that was a double top formation. That was a signal for FTT and FX for expert traders only. And you can see how because okay, guys, sometimes I mean, like, this question we get asked every day. So how to make money with these signals and how reliable these signals are. And in fact, these trading signals that we provide on our platform, they are, I would say, they are of very good quality, and it just takes some skill in terms of how you use them, because you can get two different traders can get same trading signals, and one will make say $5 in profits and the other one will make $2,000 in profits. So it all comes down to how, let's open trade here, it all comes down to how you actually apply your trading knowledge, how you put it in practice. All right, so Eurocard giving me money, nice. Yeah, I just say that this could have been like the most fantastic sequence ever. So let's set one more pending order. What I do now is I remember the last two digits here, 885, and I set a pending order so that when the price goes up, when the price reaches this level, then my pending order will turn into a trade, and well, basically, yeah, the trade will open and the price will, and I will have a trade. Now this pending order will turn into a trade. So right, let's try gold 765. So 765. There we go. Trade set, pending order set. Now, yeah, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know how many. This could have been like 5 trades, maybe 3 trades so far, 3 winning trades so far. So this strategy does work. GBP, JPY. All right, let's go ahead and open this trade in the upwards direction, because we have just sort of touched the 100 SMA, and yeah, that's a signal for an up trade, because normally the price just bounces up, makes a pullback. And the US equities markets, the US markets are about to open, so I will probably not open any more trades for the next 1 minute or 2 minutes. How often do you do live trading? I do live trading usually twice a week, every Tuesday and every Thursday. But we also have a number of VIP account managers or VIP consultants, and if you are eligible, then you can get up to 4 trading sessions with a financial analyst per month, maybe even more. I think you can maximum number can be something like 5 or 6, because you can also win some consultations in your trader's way. Oh wow, why? Just 1 second. It's gonna close with the money on. Oh, closed. Okay, at least I didn't lose anything. That's also good. Now see, we have extra volatility. So let's just wait. Now, dangerous time for the U.S. markets. Nasdaq opened with this huge green candlestick upwards. So I don't know. What about Tesla? Where are we opening? Ooh, look at this. We are opening with some like 4% downwards gap. Why is this? And the signal here down, of course. I don't know what's happening with Tesla. Need to get some information on Tesla. I don't know what's happening there. GBP, JPY. All right. So 24 seconds to go on that one. Okay. So gold has just let me down. This one, What's your strategy? So this trading strategy is called JACTAR, and you can find it in the expert strategies section of the platform. So just click on the JACTAR. You can press how it works, and in the how it works, you can get additional information about this strategy, how it works. And also you can watch maybe this webinar once again in order to understand, to find out how this strategy works, how to apply it, and how to make your trading better. All right, 4, 3, 6. Let's set a pending order here. All right, USD cut in the downwards direction. Wasn't expecting this such a fast move up, but it just happened. So I decided not to miss this opportunity and to open a trade in the downwards direction, because well, basically that would have been a maybe a third possible trade. All right, GBP, JPY now 20 seconds to go. $15 seconds to go. Why is it happening on the last moments? Oh wow, such a good trade. Definitely was expecting a much better closure on that trade. So Euro USD, 10 seconds to go. In pending order, does rate of return matter? Yes, it kind of matters. So if, for example, you set a pending order and the rate of return is, say, you set it to 77. So then if at the moment when the price reaches your quote, your target quote, and if the rate of return on that time is lower, then the pending order will not turn into a trade and it will just burn. So I suggest that you put maybe 73%, 70%, it's fine. Yeah, don't put 100 because then none of your trades can open. So maybe 80 and above, that's fine. It is more than enough. How many more trades? So I have a trade here on the USD CAD, and oh wow, why? Okay, so my pending order was a little bit too far, so it didn't turn into a trade. $9.2. Scary. This looks scary to me. 7 seconds to go, 5 seconds to go. And we're closing in the money. Nice, beautiful. And how many more trades? Do I have any more active trades? I don't think so. Yeah, just no more pending no more trades. Just pending order on gold. So USD CAD. Look at this, just beautiful. How many trades? So yeah, I mean, so one could probably open, make so many winning trades. Nice. Okay, guys, I wanna open maybe one more trade. Yeah, I will open one more trade and then I will stop. I'm gonna stop there. All right, that's it. Okay, no more trades for today. I think that's so. It is more than enough. I showed you so many different trades, and I think yeah, I will just wait until they close, and then I will calculate my win rate, my ratio of winning trades compared to losing ones. Answer please why you are set limits on account. So limits on account, that's a question for basically customer support. They can advise you, but most of the time limits get activated when you trade in big amounts of money on some assets which are not so popular, and there is not enough liquidity on those assets. So my advice is usually to trade on the most popular assets. So as you can see, I mostly traded on these. I traded these assets with 82, 84, 87, 90% rate of return. So that more or less guarantees that there are enough buyers and sellers on these assets. So there are two counterparties, and they are more or less stable. They are more or less like maybe equal in their sizes, in their volume of trades, and there is always liquidity on both ends, so you can easily open trades in the upwards direction, in the downwards direction. So yeah, that's quite important. Right, commodity composite going upwards. I don't know, this strategy is so interesting that sometimes it is just very hard to stop because you just wanna trade, 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 trade. I don't know, this, in my opinion, is one of the most interesting, one of the most exciting trading strategies. So, like I said, it is sometimes very hard to stop. All right, 18 seconds. Is it gonna drop or not? 10 seconds. 5 seconds here. Unfortunately not. And GBP USD also breaking. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that would have been a winning trade had I opened it before, but not now. AUDCHF is going to be a winning trade. All right, let's recap. Okay, so my profit now equals to $38 so far throughout the course of this webinar. I think my highest profit in the moment was more than $100. But anyways, had I not canceled those trades. All right, when did I start? Where did I start? Started here. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 winning trades. That's nice. So 14 winning trades. And how many losing trades? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Okay, so I have 8 losing trades, and including those that I canceled, that equals to, I would say, 10 losing trades. So my win rate equals to, so 14 divided by 24 equals to 58%. So as you can see, with even with fixed amount of money, you can make money with, yes, so trade on gold just opened. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this trading strategy. I hope you can take this strategy and add to your portfolio of strategies. And thus you can make your trading better and find some new instruments to trade with. I will be back on Thursday, the day after tomorrow, and I will conduct another trading session for you. It was a pleasure trading today for you. So please prepare your questions, anything, and I will see you on Thursday. So Thomas signing out. Have a wonderful day and good luck in your trading.